Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and have a wonderful blessed day. This is Mukarabali and warmly welcome you on Tech Solutions official YouTube channel. Today I show you how you can program 6-zone Chinese walkthrough gate. This is a Fujica Fuj-18P is the exact model of this walkthrough gate, and also this walkthrough gate is available in the market with different makes and models, and but the board is same and display and function keys are same. Now, as you can see, I switch on this walkthrough gate and you can see indication light is running, and also LED lights are running on the both side panels, as you can see. Now this walkthrough gate is in standby mode and searching any object, and this is ready to use now. And today I show you how you can adjust all the sensitivity levels and features and functions of this walkthrough gate. If you like this video and watch more videos like this, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok also. Now come towards the video, and now I show you how you can program this walkthrough metal detector gate. So this is the main unit of this walkthrough gate, and this is Fujica Fuj-18P is the exact model of this walkthrough gate. Now as you can see here, a few buttons on the panel, and I show you in a close look. Here, this is the program button, and next one is keys for the up, and next one is for down, and the indication light, on off switch, and a back button is there on the right side in the down row, and press for the menu setting. Now this is on the display, on the upside display. This is total pass counter, and this display shows how many peoples pass through this walkthrough gate, and the middle one, this one is this show. This is alarm counter. This shows how many peoples pass this walkthrough gate with any metal object. And the third one, this one is for a real indication light, and also used for the menu in the programming mode and for the programming display. Now I again press this programming button, and this is P00, P for password is 000. Now again press this switch, and this is F03. F mean operating frequency of this walkthrough gate, and this is set on level 3. You can move by up and down and set according to your requirement, and place again switch, press the programming button, and this is H79. H is the base sensitivity level of this walkthrough gate, and this is set on 79 right now, and you can increase and decrease according to your requirement and place where you are using this walkthrough gate, and you can increase this level from up button. As you can see, press the up button, and will be increase the sensitivity, and with the down button you can decrease the sensitivity level from here. And look this. Now again we press this programming button, FL6, and this is partition setting of this walkthrough gate, and again press this programming button. This is IL300. IL mean first zone on the left side, and this set right now on the 300. You can adjust this level from 0 to 300, and this is set now on 300 at the maximum value of the sensitivity. Now you can change from up and down buttons, as you can see. So again, and also these zone settings you can set according to your requirements, according to your place, and again press the programming button, and this is zone 2 left side, and zone 3 on the left side, again 4, 5, this is the zone 5 on the left side, zone 6 on the left side, and again now this is the right side, zone 1 right, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4 on the right side, zone 5, zone 6 on the right side. This is YL80. This is the volume. This is the volume of this walkthrough gate, and you can increase and decrease according to your choice. And after volume setting, again press the programming button, and this is YD20, and this is the alarm tone setting. You can choose any tone according to your choice and your requirements, and again press the programming button, and this is YC01. YC is a time length of alarm. You can choose, here are three levels of alarm tone. If any when you put this on 1, if any object pass through, then it beeps only once. If you set this on 2, then on a single object this walkthrough gate beeps 2 times. When you set this on 3, and when this metal detector gate detect any object, and this alarm 3 times. CJ is the scene setting, and LD is display setting, LA is a infrared setting. This is LA is infrared setting, and this is delay time, you can say, for the standby mode, and this is right now set on the 3, but you can decrease this from down button and put this and set this on 1. Again, this is C00. This is the password, and this is the operating frequency of this walkthrough gate. This is set on 3 right now. Again, now we press the back button and exit the main unit from the programming mode, and this programming is saved now, and as you can see, this is in standby mode, and the blue indication shows the real indication light. This is the real indication light. When any metal object come close to the walkthrough gate, this indication light shows the volume and quantity of the any metal object, and this is the indication light. This walkthrough gate is in standby mode now, and here are few buttons or switches for the programming. And now I switch off this walkthrough gate, and I show you again, and press this power button to switch on this walkthrough gate and show you how this walkthrough gate gets starting. On the both side panels, LED lights are running, as you can see, and now Now this walkthrough gate is in standby mode and searching any object right now. And now I show you the working of this walkthrough gate and pass any object through this walkthrough gate and show you how this act right now. Now look this. I am passing the object through this walkthrough gate and this is detecting well, as you can watch in the video. And this is the display and the total pass counting 34 and the alarm counting 30 and relay indication light is running and the indication light is also running. So this is the video of today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon and keep watching our channel and give us likes. And for more interesting and informative videos, keep watching our channel. Till next, Allah Hafiz. See you soon with new and interesting videos. Allah Hafiz.